Shoot for the moon, right? Actually, there is something much more down to earth and practical we can do that will eventually get us way farther on the way to our goals. Hi, my fellow artists. I'm Anna and I'm a painter. I'm here with you to have an artist-to-artist chat on achieving our goals. And if you're not an artist, these ideas can apply to any area of your life. We all have goals. Maybe they're deliberate or maybe they're subconscious. In some ways, we are either working toward them or at least thinking about them and hoping for them. I was recently struck by an idea that James Clear gives us in his book, Atomic Habits. He writes, "You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems." What? People tell us to shoot for the moon, set the bar high, think big. I am the last person to discourage this kind of thinking. I love encouraging people to go for their dreams. However, we all know that there is a big difference between our future dreams and our current reality. What fills the gap? It's not wishful thinking, that's for sure. In his book, Miracle Morning, Hal Elrod tells us that visualizing where you want to be in life, what success you want to achieve, etc., is extremely powerful. But it doesn't stop there. The second piece he writes about is that you need to visualize yourself doing the daily actions that will lead to whatever kind of success you want to achieve. So back to the James Clear quote, "You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems." What are these systems he's talking about? There are daily habits, routines, and action steps intentionally put in place to orient ourselves towards our goals. For example, one of my goals is to grow this art channel on YouTube. I want to set it up as another income stream for my art business and use the platform to encourage other artists to grow towards their full potential. I've been doing this very part-time for 2 years now, and I recently asked myself, prompted by James Clear, if my daily habits were in line with my goal. Examining the time that I spent working on filming videos, I almost never do it. Examining the time I spent focused on editing and posting videos, I found I did spend quite a bit of time on this, but it was sporadic and inconsistent. So were my systems in place in order to achieve this goal? Were they in line with my goal? No. So I decided to implement some new systems. If you want to see a video where I'm sharing my new daily systems in working towards this and other goals, I will put a link for that in the description. After this video, you can scroll down and click there. So, shoot for the moon. Sure, dream big and get clear about your goals. Write them down, visualize them. But chances are we are never going to get there unless we take practical action in the present moment. So consider for yourself, what is one of your goals as an artist? Or just for your life in general? Write it down. Now, what action steps would a person who is headed in that direction do each day? Now make a plan for how to include those action steps in your daily life. Think small and down to earth. Write down what small thing can you do, when will you do it, and where. Make this next step easy to take. You'll be surprised how doing the little things consistently adds up quickly in progress towards your goal. You'll also be so encouraged each time you see yourself move forward. Instead of getting discouraged thinking about your goal and seeing how far you are away from it in reality. Focus on your systems and you might be excited to find out that you will accelerate towards your goal faster than you think. Well, thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button if you agreed with any of these ideas, and share your own opinion down in the comments. And if you're feeling brave, share one of your goals as well. Every week I post new videos for artists, chats like these, and fluid art demos of my work for your inspiration. Feel free to subscribe, and I hope to see you again.